Okay. Hello, my name is Ethan. So today I worked with my friend Manny, and we tried to recreate a classic game that has popped off recently called Super Auto Pets. And so the main idea of this project was we wanted to replicate the game, but also make it generally basic for our limited knowledge of C++, but still be able to implement other classes and whatnot. So the goal of Super Auto Pets is generally each time you have a turn, you get a certain amount of money. You can use that money to, in a sense, hire pets to your team, and then you can rearrange them in a certain order. And so when you then can attack another player, in this case we have a computer generated player, and after each run of the pets automatically attacking the first pet in the row, eventually whichever one is left standing essentially is the winner, and they will earn one trophy. If you lose, you will lose one health, and that just keeps repeating until either you win 10 trophies or you lose all 10 of your health. And so in this program, we have implemented a main command class, which will simply run a lot of our commands. We've implemented a team, which holds sets of the pets vector. And so the pet is being the parent class in this case, whereas each pet has, let's see, so then we have classes of bees, turtles, etc., of other animals, dragons, elephants, and so each one of those childs is a pet. And for the team class, each team has a or multiple pets in them. That gets our is a has a classes down, which is good. So we wanted some basic functionality for your team, the user's team, to be able to add pets, remove a pet, have pet abilities. Some of this we did get to, some of it still is a work in progress, such as removing a pet and pet abilities. No, actually we do have pet abilities. So removing a pet currently is in the works. We do have an AI that can fight against you. Currently the fighting is still being worked out. It's a little complicated. But we did implement 4 classes: a parent class, team, child class. This is outdated. I will update that right after. But if we head over into main, we can see we have very simple reads a text file and inputs some text for the user to understand the game. We create a team object, and we have a simple loop of where if your health is either reaches 0, it ends, or if you get 10 trophies, it ends. And so I guess the best way to do this is probably I'll just show you. So we'll run through. And we have this nice little message I created that allows for time delay for each text, which is quite nice. So that's very simple text, running through. Every time you win a round, you give them 1 trophy. Every 10 trophies to win. So first off, we have inside our team function, it's pushing back randomly different pets, and each pet is a different type. Here we have tiger, elephant, turtle, dragon, elephant. And so I can type in dragon, and I will add dragon to my team. I can type tiger, and I will add it to my team and remove it from the pet options. Now, even if I typed in falcon right now, it'll say, I'm sorry, this pet is not an option, and it doesn't remove anything, and you can continue on. And so if I'm happy with my selections, right now we don't have it showing what I have selected, but if I say no, I'm good, and then so the computer then generates a random pets to fight against you. I've implemented a little bit of this. Your dragon is fighting a bee. Your dragon defeated the bee. Your tiger is fighting a tiger. And so that text does need to be fixed a little bit, but the idea is these pets can fight each other, and based on originally what we set their health, their abilities, odds of popping off essentially are being used, and their attack will depend on your victory. And so you want to selectively choose your team that works best. And so then you get a very new set of options, bee, tiger, elephant, dragon, and you can either add them or continue on. And now, right now we have it, you can only have 5 pets in your play, and the computer will always have the same amount of pets as you for now. But that is the main idea of the program. And this is all put in the README file. For testing, it became a little difficult because a lot of our functions are voids and require you to pretty much play test the main function. So that kind of makes it difficult because you need to have the pet options. You can't just push a pet back. You need to initialize a vector of pets. And the only way to do that is to have a bunch of random pets. And so to be able to measure randomness of pointed vectors becomes difficult. I guess we definitely could have put in more effort there. Overall, I'd give this like an 80 or 85, definitely. Felt like we put in a lot of work for this, and it looks really nice. It's very clean. I've enjoyed it. But yes, and we do have polymorphism, where each pet each dragon is a pet. No, we don't want that. We want each team has a pet. And that is here when you select a pet choice, push back. Wait. Oh, so actually the polymorphism is with the special ability. So we have inside pet class, we have a virtual, where is it? Yeah, virtual void special ability. So that can be called on any pet and it will specify based on its class.